Top 300 Exam MCQs in Engineering Graphics and Design. Part 1. Welcome back to CivTech Simplified. In this series, engineer Imran Aziz brings you 50 multiple-choice questions, MCQs, per video to help civil engineers like you prepare for competitive exams, interviews, and university tests. Today's topic is engineering graphics and design. And remember, correct answers are clearly highlighted to help you review effectively. Let's get started. Multiple choice questions. Part 1. Question 1. The preferred size of the drawing sheets is recommended by the A. BIS, B. ASME, ASTM, D. NIST. Correct option BIS. 2. The untrimmed size for Dutchkijzenaar or sheet is 240 mm by 330 mm. A, A1, B, A2, C, A3, D, A4. Correct option D, A4. 3. SP 46, 2003 recommends the borders of 80 mm width for the sheet sizes A0 and A1 and millimeters for the sizes A2, A3, A4, and A5. A 10, 20, B 15, 20, C 20, 10, D 15, 10. Correct option C 20, 10. 4. The size of the title block is waus millimeters by waanst millimeters. A 25 times 10, B 100 times 25, C 60 times 185, D 185 times 65. Correct option D 185 times 65. 5. Cursive is not an essential thing for freehand sketching. A soft grade pencil, B. French curves, C. A soft rubber eraser, D. A paper in the form of a sketchbook or a pad. Correct option French curves. 6. How many battens will be there for a drawing board? A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. 4. Correct option B. 2. 7. The angle which we can't make using a single set square is A. 45 degree, B. 30 degree, C. 60 degree, D. 75 degree. Correct option D. 75 degrees. 8. The angle which we can't make using both the set squares is tabo. A. 15 degree, B. 105 degree, C. 165 degree, D. 125 degree. Correct option B. 105 degrees. 9. Which is not the use of divider? A. To divide curved or straight lines into the desired number of equal parts. B. To draw circles. C. To transfer dimensions from one part of the drawing to another part. D. To set off given distances from the scale to the drawing. Correct option B. To draw circles. 10. Is used to draw curves which are not circular. A. Compass, B. Protractor, C. French curves, D. Pro-circle. Correct option French curves. 11. The areas of the two subsequent sizes of drawing sheet are in the ratio as A. 1 to 5, B. 1 to 4, C. 1 to 2, D. 1:10. Correct option C. 1 to 2. 12. The sizes from a 0 to A5 increases. A. True, B. False. Correct option B. False. 13. The increase in hardness is shown by the value of the figure put in front of the letter H, 2H, 3H, and 4H, etc. A. True, B. False. Correct option a true. 14. The grade becomes O according to the figure placed in front of the letter B, 2B, 3B, 4B, etc. A. Harder, B. Lighter, C. Darker, D. Softer. Correct option, D. Softer. 15. Which of the following instrument is made of thin strips of wood arranged in a line to form a rectangle and on which the drawing is made? A. Mini, drafter, B. Drawing board, C. Protractor, D. Scale. Correct option, B. Drawing board. 16. Which of the following tools is used to draw horizontal lines? A mini drafter, B. Protractor, C. T-square, D. French curve. Correct option, C. T-square. 17. Which of the following instrument can be used to draw accurate perpendicular lines, parallel lines, and angular lines? A mini, drafter B.T. Square, C. Protractor D. Set, square. Correct option, a mini drafter. 18. Which is the most common tool used for drawing circles? A. French curve, B. Mini, drafter, C. Divider, D. Compass. Correct option, D. Compass. 19. For drawing circles with a large radius, which of the following tool is used? A bow compass, B. Lengthening bar compass, C. Divider, D. Protractors. Correct option, B. Lengthening bar compass. 20. Which of the following drawing tools is used by architects for making blueprints? A. Drawing pencils, B. Dusters, C. Ink pen, D. Erasers. Correct option, C. Ink pen. 21. Which of the following drawing tool is not used to set the drawing sheet onto the drawing board? A. Drawing clips, B. Drawing pins, C. Divider, D. Adhesive tape. Correct option, C. Divider. 22. According to the Indian Standard Institution, ISI, what is the size of the designation A3 in millimeters? A. 420 times 297, B. 841 times 594, C. 1,189 times 841, D. 297 times 210. Correct option, A. 420 times 297. 23. Which of the following drawing tool is used to transfer dimensions when there is a repetition of the dimensions? A. Compass, B. Protractor, C. Divider, D. Mini drafter. Correct option, C. Divider. 24. Which of the following grades of leads is the hardest? A. 6B, B. 5H, C. 4B, D. 6H. Correct option, D. 6H. 25. For marking angles, which of the following drawing tool is used? A. Protractor, B. Divider, C. Compass, D. French curve. Correct option, a protractor. 26. Which is the instrument used to draw parallel lines fast? A set square B ruler, scale C protractor, D. Roll and draw. Correct option, D. Roll and draw. 27. Initial work and construction lines are drawn using pencil. A. 3H, B. 4H, C. H, D. 2H. Correct option, C. H. 28. Center lines, section lines are drawn using double underscore pencil. A. H, B. 2, H, C. 3, H, or 4, H, D. H, B. Correct option, C. 3, H, or 4, H. 29. Continues thick line used to represent A. Outline of an object, B. Construction lines of the object, C. The hidden part of an object, D. None of the above mentioned. Correct option, a outline of an object. 30. Continues thin line uses to represent A. The hidden part of an object, B. The construction line of an object, C. Outline of an object, D. None of above the mentioned. Correct option, B. The construction line of an object. 31. The dashed or dotted or hidden line uses to represent A. The construction line of an object. B. The hidden part of an object. C. The outline of an object. D. None of the above. Correct option, B. The hidden part of an object. 32. Short break lines are drawn freehand, while long break lines are ruled lines. A. True. B. False. Correct option, a true. 33. Drawing pencils are graded according to increase in relative item. A. Diameter. B. Sharpness. C. Length. D. Hardness. Correct option, D. Hardness. 34. In engineering drawing, which type of line indicates that there is a change of plane? A continuous thin, wavy B. Long chain. Thin C. Continuous thick D. Medium. Thick short dashes. Correct option, C. Continuous thick. 35. Which of the following lines are used to show that the object is cut and then viewed? A. Hidden lines. B. Leader lines. C. Center lines. D. Hatching lines. Correct option, D. Hatching lines. 36. What do hidden lines in orthographic projections denote? A. Holes or slots. B. Change of plane. C. Position of cut. D. Center of a circle or cylinder. Correct option, A. Holes or slots. 37. The axis of the cylinder or sphere is denoted by which of the following line? A. Section line. B. Center line. C. Hidden line. D. Leader line. Correct option, B. Center line. 38. What is the standard length and width of the arrowhead of dimension lines? A. 2 mm and 2 mm. B. 3 mm and 1 mm. C. 4 mm and 2 mm. D. 3 mm and 2 mm. Correct option, B. 3 mm and 1 mm. 39. Which type of line is used to join the dimension line and the curve that needs to be dimensioned? A. Leader line. B. Outline. C. Dimension line. D. Section line. Correct option, a leader line. 40. What is the difference between the section line and the center line? A. The length of the long dashes. B. The length of short dashes. C. The width of the gap. D. The two ends of the lines. Correct option, D. The two ends of the lines. 41. The aligned system is used for drawing of aircrafts, automobiles. A. True. B. False. Correct option, B. False. 42. In unidirectional system, the dimensions are howen. A. Placed above the dimension lines. B. Placed below the dimension lines. C. Placed by breaking the dimension line in the middle. D. Placed left side of the dimension line. Correct option, C. Placed by breaking the dimension line in the middle. 43. In a lined system, the dimensions are ties. A. Placed parallel to the dimension line. B. Placed perpendicular to the dimension line. C. Placed left side of the dimension line. D. The placed right side of the dimension line. Correct option, B. Placed perpendicular to the dimension line. 44. From unidirectional system, it is shabawai. A. Convenient to read dimensions from the bottom edge. B. Convenient to read dimensions from the right-hand edge. C. Convenient to read dimensions from the right-hand edge. D. Convenient to read dimensions from the top edge. Correct option, A. Convenient to read dimensions from the bottom edge. 45. In which system of dimensioning the figures can read from the bottom as well as right-hand side of the drawing? A. Aligned system. B. Unidirectional system. C. Non-aligned multidirectional system. D. Parallel system. Correct option, A. Aligned system. 46. In dimensioning, the lines enclosing the dimension line are known as zitso. A. Leader line. B. Dimension line. C. Extension line. D. Outline. Correct option. C. Extension line. 47. When dimensioning the circle, the dimension line begins from the center of the circle. A. True. B. False. Correct option. A true. 48. While dimensioning holes, slots, etc. How would their number be specified? A. The number is written on the dimension line. B. The number is written of the leader line. C. The number is written on the corner of the page. D. The number is written on the side of the hole or slot. Correct option. A. The number is written on the dimension line. 49. In a unidirectional system, the figures are written along the dimension line. A. True. B. False. Correct option. B. False. 50. The advised position of placement of the dimensions should be A. Inside the view. B. Outside the view. C. On the boundaries of the view. D. Cutting the view. Correct option. B. Outside the view. Thank you for watching. You've completed the Part 1 of Engineering Graphics and Design MCQs series. 300 MCQs would be shared in total, fully solved and exam-focused. Our videos are perfect for PE, FE, PPSC, FPSC, SSCJE, RRB, KPPSC, and more. Subscribe to CivTech Simplified for upcoming parts on this topic and other MCQs videos on hydraulics machines, soil mechanics, RCC, and more. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you.